I'm really happy here to be here. The first visit fructified that your long pending issue. I hope that this is now sorted out.
Absolutely, the renewal of the lease.
So renewal of the lease. So that was the first.
Absolutely.
And now today I have come with one proposal for you actually, that you should now not ask for renewal of the lease, but ask for a plot and build up a good, more good structured IWPC.
IWPC.
So I think that's the proper thing, because otherwise this is a very good plot location, but still it's a very small thing. So, and the way number of women crop is going up,
Right.
you need a better place and a bigger place. And that you should demand. Always low aim is crime.
Right.
And therefore that's my first request.
In fact, if I might just add on to this, we had some plans of suggesting it to you and your government of perhaps making this building in the name of the Indian Women's Press Corps. So I think that would solve our
No, but
problems
that doesn't solve your
permanently.
problem of creating a bigger building, because then there's a Lieutenant's Club, then there is Supreme Court, and there are many things.
Right.
So we'll sort it out after discussing. But I have a plan in mind.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
That is one. Second, I'll be brief. Only 3-4 minutes each on environment, what we did in 7 months, on Lima, 3 minutes. But first, the politics, because that's what. Today, what Narendra Modi is now addressing the rally is of course a milestone in the BJP's history, because we will win Delhi hands down with complete and clear majority, and shattering anybody's misconception, if any, that there is a challenge to the BJP in Delhi. That will go with the results. And here only I'll predict that after successive win till Jammu Kashmir and now in Delhi, before we set for 2019 parliamentary elections, BJP or NDA will have 20 states in its kitty.
That's really
20
optimistic.
states. No, optimistic, no, realistic.
Okay.
Otherwise, I would have said 24. That is the popularity, because Modi has created a permanent hope and sense of participation in people. And I'll send you today a link to my yesterday's program in Shirur Tehsil of Pune district.
Okay.
5,000 students of 10 different schools and colleges, and Urdu, Hindi, and all students. Girls, a large number. And you should see that vibrancy. There were all politicians, but they were kept aside. And I talked directly to the children, students, and the way they approach. They want clean India, they want green India, they want honest India, they want corruption-free India, they want to get, they want skills easily available, and then they want to work hard and get and live a life of decency. That's the aspiration of the young generation. And that's for demonstration. You can see the vibes of the whole meeting. It's not much more. I just talked like a teacher for 15 minutes. But the crowd, the enthusiasm, and the way they were, and I told the politicians there, when I got the confidence that this is the mood of the people and the students, I said, ऐसा ही है ना, तो then राजनेताओं समझ लो, नई पीढ़ी की मांग ये है, आकांक्षा ये है, और राजनीति भी यही है, इसी को लोग वोट देंगे, दूसरे वोट नहीं देंगे. So Modi has not booked only for 2014 or 2019, has booked for 2014 2024 also. I think this is a good caption. Okay. So now we can move on to environment.
I have a feeling you did come to say something on the first part more
No,
than environment.
no, इतना ही बताया. Environment का I inherited a negative legacy. I really didn't politicize, but fact remains that the environment ministry became the speed breaker, the roadblock ministry, and whatever tax ministry and something, but nobody was saying good about it. Pan it to the last session when there was a disturbance, Manmohanji called me. I told him, he said, what is happening? I said, things are going well. Whatever projects you prioritize, infrastructure projects, whatever Manmohan Singh ji as a PM's initiative has prioritized, I said yesterday we had the meeting of National Board of Wildlife and we have sanctioned all your priority projects. He said, I am so happy. And what I then asked, I'll tell you afterwards and what he said.
Is
Yeah.
there an environment cost to those approvals?
No. That's what I'm saying, but please wait. I have a firm commitment. Show me this. I'll give you, this is a development without destruction. That's our motto. And this is a saga of turnaround in 7 months. And I'm listed all those here. I'll give you what it is. And in earlier regime also they used to get pass, but with many zigzag curves, A, and B with much delay. And that is cost overrun. That makes viable project even unviable. So if you have to say no, you say no. But if you have to say yes early with proper conditions, and that's our philosophy. So the 4 things only I'll highlight. The first, which I mentioned last time actually, that the border roads and defense infrastructure, hundreds of projects were lying pending for environmental clearances. We took the policy decision. Officers asked me, what is the policy? I said, if nation is defended, environment is better defended. That's the policy. And to that end, we ensured general approval for all 6,000 kilometers of border roads and any defense infrastructure within 100 kilometers from line of actual control. This was just the beginning. But now we have taken a decision to go further and make aggressive afforestation. It addresses your concern. This week, I hope that I will be holding the press conference after the Supreme Court resumes after holiday. Within next 2-3 days, I'll get the nod and approval from them to release 33,000 crore rupees of Campa fund. 33,000 crores of Campa fund for additional afforestation, because there are conditions. Additional afforestation, because normal afforestation and forest funds from the state budget should not get reduced. This will work, this has to work as an additionality. They have to give result as an additional afforestation. So we are creating a tremendous carbon sink. That's how we want to balance growth and sustain. That is what is sustainable development is all about. You allow growth in a sustainable way with right kind of carbon sink to be created. So that's how we want to proceed. Third important decision. We have made the processes transparent. Now, forest clearance, environment clearance, and all other clearances are online. And more than 900 projects are registered and progressing. What is the cute point or what is the best point of this is the applicant can see the movement of the file from one table to another file. He can track the movement of the file. And this is what actually was, because otherwise earlier it used to be office series like. Now it has changed completely. Everybody has become accountable. He has to complete the task in time. That's the cultural change we are bringing. Fourth, all the linear projects, roads, rails, irrigation, drinking water canals, pipelines, transmission lines. These are public utility purposes. They will pass through forest. At each place, for a section, subsection, you reinvent the same thing again and again and again. Because you pass the boundary of the state, you pass the boundary of the district, but it's a one project. We are practically delegated these powers to the states with standard compliance procedures and with standard or even more afforestation. For each tree cut, they will have to grow 3 trees, and we are going to monitor it. So that's the best part we have done. So these are put on general approval, so there is no waiting for projects. I'll tell you one worst kind of example. I had been to Telangana. In Adilabad district, there is a project called Komaram Bhima Irrigation Project. Komaram Bhima. This is a small project of 300 crores. 1100 hectares are to be irrigated. All are tribal farmers. They are waiting. The dam is ready. The water is stored. The farmers are ready. I thought canals are not ready. Canals are also ready. 5 years have lapsed. But in 5 years, farmers have not got a water. Why? When I went into detail, the canal passes through a patch of 2 kilometers of forest. So before forest NOC was given, now that is already given, but before forest clearance is given, the canal work was started. That's a violation. Violation is a crime. Crime is a criminal case. You have to fix a criminal responsibility of some officer. Nobody wants to take that responsibility. So the file is moving, water is stored, farmers are thirsty, and you don't get water. This is shocking. I came and I talked to my senior officers who has violated the national interest. We as a ministry, we as a government, maybe the earlier government, 5 years, but still we have to find out a way where if there is a technical fault, how to correct it, how to make it, but irrigation water must flow to the farms. This is what we are ensuring. If somebody says this is what is against the nature, I don't think nature will be more happy with this kind of approach.
Mr. Javadekar,
Last
these
point.
linear projects, they're not
Yeah.
PPP, no? They're not PPP, they are purely P, as in.
Public projects, if there are even, there is no issue of public or private, because they are public utility projects, no?
Okay, so
If say there is a contractor, she is the contractor, and if they are building a pipeline, that gas will reach to the industries and houses. If transmission lines take Power Grid or any private operator also, but transmission lines will serve public cause.
right.
So that, and ultimately you give permission, but with delays, we are avoiding delays. So this is development without destruction and delays. That's the real thing. That's what we are aiming at. But I'll give you this. This is official, so you can take it, anything from it, quote from it.
So lots of extra copies here.
Yeah. No, copies, one for each,
Exactly.
one for each one. Second, in wildlife, in nature conservation, I had held the first consultative committee meeting of my ministry in Bandipur forest, we discussed Project Elephant. We love that elephant, everybody loves. It's a beautiful animal. And it has a resonance mythologically and everything. But the more important is that now the day-to-day issue is animal-human conflict. We have come out with new ways by discussing with the local population, with tribals, and they have suggested that elephants are coming out of jungle because they don't get enough grass and water in the jungle. So we have taken up a more aggressive program, special program component in this camp also. There will be a component where there will be more emphasis on creating grasslands, because then only praise will be there for other animals also. They come out only because of that. So you have to keep animals in jungle happy, and people should remain happy out of jungle. But they both coexist peacefully. So that's how we want to progress. I think this is, as far as Lima is concerned, this 2015 is the year of climate negotiations all the way. And it will be a full calendar. The Prime Minister's Council on Climate Change will meet on 19th, the first meeting, as is planned of today. We will be taking,
Sorry, the National Adaptation Fund also, you might as well have.
yeah. Adaptation fund we have, we in budgeted, but we have given that also in the report. What are the issues of the international negotiations? 4 issues. Developed world cannot do away with their historical responsibility. So they have to do more. And they have to provide finance and technology. India won the Lima round with our own actions, which we put it more effectively. 100 gigawatts of 1 lakh megawatt of solar power target for next 5 years. It's a huge jump from 20,000 megawatt target of which was set earlier. We have jumped it 5-fold to 1 lakh. 1 lakh megawatt solar power means 145 million tons of carbon emissions saved per year. 145 million tons of carbon emissions saved each year. It's a huge contribution of India. The Campa fund of $6 billion, additionality of fund. It's a big thing happening in India. We are the only country to levy cess on coal, and the Modi government has doubled it from 50 rupees to 100 rupees per ton. And therefore, and that funds will be earmarked for clean technology. Now what we are emphasizing with the world is 2 things. That technology must come for free. Clean technology, clean energy technology must not be bogged down in IPR royalties and IPR costs. अगर दुनिया की उत्पत्ति कैसे हुई ये ढूंढने के लिए सारी दुनिया इकट्ठा आकर सर्न में, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, क्या,
Large Hadron Collider.
large LLC, Large Hadron Collider. So you can join hands for creating that collider to know how the earth was born. Why can't you do the same to save the earth from climate change disaster? That's my plea. And many countries have accepted, many countries supported this idea. that let's do joint collaborative research free of IPR, and people will adopt cleaner technology sooner than the latter. Because every new technology means more cost. And who is paying the cost? 30% of my people are not getting the real access what they should for the energy. You are asking them to pay the higher cost. You have taken benefits for hundreds of years. And now you want poor to pay. We want polluter to pay. That's our policy.
This was a principle.
This was the principle. And therefore, on this technology, funding, we are insisting. These are the two issues, and therefore I suggested differential. How to differentiate countries' responsibilities? One base is historical responsibility. One base is status of development. The developed world wants that the earlier Kyoto Protocol should be over. We said protocol will be over, but not the UNFCCC principles, the architecture. That will remain constant. The principles remain constant. And therefore differentiated responsibility, but with every nation taking their own action with conviction, and we will do by our own conviction, and we'll do more aggressively. That's all from my side. Thank you.
So do you think it was a move forward?
Move forward.
You think it was a move forward?
Yeah, that's
and
why
some
Lima
gains for
agreed.
India?
All LDCs, India this time was proactive, positive, putting up new ideas on table, and in Lima, I didn't wait for a single hour for sightseeing, because मेरे अधिकारी मुझे कह रहे थे कि भाई मंत्री जी तो दिन में एक आध बार आके जाते हैं. मैंने कहा मैं तो ऐसा हूँ नहीं, मैं आया हूँ यहाँ तो मैं तो यहाँ पूरा शिविर करूँगा, आपको भी नहीं जाने दूंगा. तो सुबह 9 बजे से रात 9, कभी 12, कभी 2 बजे, जो भी बजे मैं कैंप साइट पे ही होता था अपने इंडिया ऑफिस में. वी मेट ऑल हेड्स ऑफ डेलीगेशन. We held more than 40 bilaterals, 5 meetings of basics, 5 meetings of LMDCs, and 1 meeting of SARC. So we continuously engaged with all countries.
We'll take
Now, yes,
questions.
now take questions.
About this high-powered committee, you have to speak on that also.
That
And
3
then-
sentences. High-powered committee has submitted its recommendation. Because see, after a certain period, you need to review whether the intended benefit has accrued or not, whether the intended development or the environment protection has happened or not. What are the bottlenecks?
Right.
So you have to. So high power committee was appointed. It has submitted a report. That report we have accepted for consideration. That word something, some people thought that we have accepted it in total. No, this is accepted for consideration. So we are discussing it. In the ministry, with the people in climate council, everywhere we will discuss it. But it is now in the public domain, so anybody can, the standing committee is doing their deliberation. We have no objection to it.
Okay,
We
so-
want good suggestions.
Yeah. Okay, excellent. So now we open the floor. We'll just take it from here, from like this, left to right. Is that okay? Left to right
Okay.
is a good thing, no? Left. शोभना पूछो और हाँ राइटवर्ड ही जा रहे हैं मिस्टर जावड़ेकर.
बताओ.
तो लेफ्ट को थोड़ा मौका दे देते हैं. हाँ?
अभी जो नीमा के बाद जो कुछ हुआ, तो आपको लगता है कि भारत के जो प्रयास रहेंगे पेरिस से पहले, हम लोग जो कंसर्न्स हैं डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज के, गरीब देशों के, तो ये जो अमीर देश हैं उन तक पहुंचा पाएंगे और कुछ हम लोग अपना रास्ता बना पाएंगे?
नहीं, बिल्कुल बनाया है.
और इंडिया का
हमने अमेरिका से लेकर यूरोप को बिल्कुल 2 टूक बात कही, और सभी देशों को ये भी कहा कि हमें हर एक को एक्शन भी लेनी है. ऐसा नहीं कि 20 साल पहले वाले डिबेट को ही केवल आगे बढ़ाते रहेंगे, ऐसा भी नहीं. हमें हर एक को एक्शन भी करनी है, हर एक को सस्टेनेबल प्रैक्टिसेस अडॉप्ट करना है, लेकिन साथ ही साथ वो प्रैक्टिसेस करने जैसा माहौल भी डेवलप कंट्रीज़ को करना है. तो वही तो टेक्नोलॉजी फाइनेंस का मुद्दा है, वही जड़. नहीं, डिफरेंशियल. वी आर very positive for the Paris outcome. We want Paris to come out with an agreed good outcome. which will help the earth to mitigate the challenge of climate posed by climate, and we can keep the temperatures below 2 degrees rise.
सर एक
अच्छा अच्छा
question है,
अच्छा
इन्हीं के
वंदना
question-
ऐसे ही करते हैं, ऐसे ही
इन्हीं
जाते
के
हैं,
question
हाँ।
के साथ है actually, just
वंदना-
on Lima sir, in all your meetings, was China mentioned frequently? Was India told that China has made some kind of commitment which is really vague, but was it mentioned, and were you told that perhaps you could also adopt some
No,
kind
nobody
of ambition?
discussed. Absolutely nobody discussed. That was, मुझे लगा था हर एक कोई वही पूछेगा मुझे कि भाई चाइना ने घोषणा किया, आपका क्या है? क्योंकि चाइना की घोषणा से तो मैंने कोई भी पूछता तो मेरा उत्तर तैयार था, लेकिन किसी ने पूछा नहीं। नहीं तो मैं उनको बताता, चाइना 2030 में टिपिंग करेगा, उस समय 12 टन पर कैपिटा होगा उनका एमिशन, और अमेरिका भी कॉन्वर्स करेगा 2030 में, वो 12 टन पे आएगा। तो इफ दैट इज द बेंचमार्क, देन कैलकुलेट, बिकॉज वी आर टुडे ओनली 1.7।
ठीक है, इधर हाँ अंजलि।
ओबामा के आने से पहले आप कह रहे हैं कि कोई शायद कैबिनेट
नहीं, ऐसा मैंने कुछ कहा ही नहीं, मैंने जो कहा वो कहा। अगर मुझे कोई पूछता तो मैं केवल ये 3 आंकड़े बताता।
अंजलि
हाँ।
पूछो।
सर आपने कहा कि जो भी प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए फॉरेस्ट पेड़ काटने पड़ रहे हैं उसके बदले में हम और फॉरेस्ट लगाएंगे,
एक के बजाय 3।
कार्बन सिंक बनाएंगे, बट सर वेयर विल वी गेट द लैंड फॉर दिस?
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. No problem. I'll tell you. The fact of the matter that 24% of the land today is recognized as forest land. But actual forest, there is degraded forest on 8 or 9% of the land. 1/3 forest land is degraded. There is no forest actually. We have to grow that. To that end, we have some ambitious ideas which we are thinking. For the new year 2015 plan, I have given 160 points to my department, and we'll be doing our first brainstorming on 12th with all my senior officers, and then I will hold 3 consecutive before the parliament session, 3 Chintan Shivers with young officers in the age bracket of 35 to 45. Means those who have at least 7-8 years experience and or 15 years experience, and at least 15 to 20 years are left in their career. So they have new ideas. I'm discussing with 200 officers or odd mix of IFS officers, pollution officers, regional committee officers, scientists. All young officers will be taken. So we will be doing it in, one is east, northeast, one will be North India, one will be South India. So we'll do that.
So will the changes in the
कितना एरिया में फॉरेस्टेशन करना है ना?
हाँ, वो तो सब देंगे
एक
प्लान।
एक करके विच एक एक एक
Related to this question, mine is also related.
एवरीथिंग इज रिलेटेड।
हाँ,
नाज एक एक सवाल हाँ सब।
बिकॉज आई एम रिलेटेड।
मैं नाज असगर हूँ, UNIC।
मालूम मैडम, कमाल है।
Actually, it's a good news that the Supreme Court will be giving a nod shortly for afforestation. But there has been a concern that this afforestation in the past have been just a monoculture. I mean, you
No.
plant,
हाँ.
but the diversity is lost. The jungle that is
No.
So concerns will be addressed.
Yes, these concerns will be addressed, already taken on board. There are 2 things happening which are not good. First, means earlier, our dense forests are becoming less dense. That's not good, so we have to build up. Second, degraded forest has not been developed properly. We will develop. Yesterday I was in Shirur. So Shirur town asked me that now our garbage dump was ill-equipped, but whatever it was, now with the bypass, it has come in the locality itself. So it's a problem. There is a jungle, forest land of 70 hectares. We want only 20 acres, and there is a 70 acres land available as a forest land on the. We are ready to develop roads and go there and dump. I said, I will be considering you, but give me proposal of commitment that you will grow 50 acres around real dense forest. We will give you the list of how it should grow and we'll give you the help, but you will develop as a town municipality and we will give you the land. That's how we want to bring in people and people's participation.
So this monoculture, this.
But monoculture, that
monocrop
is
advantage.
no, that is already addressed, because wherever forest lands were degraded, forest lands were brought under forestation, the monoculture happened. But now we are replacing those by all, right from fruit bearing to flower bearing to traditional crops. So that program is also on.
अच्छा, प्रतिभा, विचित्रा, अदिति भी, ठीक है, जल्दी जल्दी एक एक सवाल, हाँ, क्योंकि हमने
पूछो,
हमने
ठीक है ना?
खाना खिलाने का
हाँ, नहीं,
वादा
ठीक
किया
है।
है मिस्टर जावड़ेकर।
हाँ, लेकिन
तो
10-15
time
मिनट है, बोलो।
हाँ बिल्कुल
एक एक मिनट, हाँ।
आपकी सरकार का जो चेहरा है वो डेवलपमेंट का चेहरा बनाया आप लोगों ने, पर आपको लगता है कि जो धर्मांतरण का मुद्दा हो या गोडसे को राष्ट्रभक्त कहने का, या
किसने
गोडसे
कहा?
की मूर्ति बनाने का,
नहीं, किसने? बीजेपी ने कहा?
नहीं, एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्ट्री ने नहीं कहा।
नहीं, बीजेपी ने भी नहीं कहा।
बीजेपी के लिए नहीं
तो
कहा।
क्या
पर
मुद्दा है?
आपके
बीजेपी की
लोग
बात
होंगे
करो।
जो आपके जो
नहीं, हमारे नहीं ना, हम कहाँ से आ
वो
गए?
नुकसान पहुंचा रहे हैं
नहीं।
आपको।
आप भी ज़्यादा मत छापिए। नेक्स्ट।
अच्छा, विचित्रा, अच्छा ठीक है।
सर, मैं कविता जोशी हूँ, हरिभूमि न्यूज़पेपर से। मेरा सवाल आपसे, जो आपने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और रोड डिफेंस प्रोजेक्ट्स की जो आपने बात की है, लाइन ऑफ एक्चुअल कंट्रोल पे जो आप कह रहे हैं कि 100 किलोमीटर के दायरे में जो हम बनाएंगे, उसके लिए हम तेजी से इन्वायरमेंट और फॉरेस्ट क्लियरेंस।
नहीं, जनरल अप्रूवल दे दिया, अब फाइल आएगी नहीं।
दे दिया है, वो दे दिया है, इससे जुड़ा वही मैं पूछ रही हूँ कि आप जो कह रहे हैं कि हमने इन्वायरमेंट एंड फॉरेस्ट क्लियरेंस दे दिया,
ओनली फॉर डिफेंस प्रोजेक्ट्स।
ओनली फॉर डिफेंस प्रोजेक्ट, लेकिन लाइन ऑफ एक्चुअल कंट्रोल के बाद चीन जो है वो कहता है कि ये तिब्बत का दक्षिणी हिस्सा है, अरुणाचल हमारा, उस पर हमारा अधिकार है, और हम कहते हैं कि वो हमारा संप्रभुत्व है, हमारा राज्य है। तो अगर किसी तरह का विरोध चाइना की तरफ से सैन्य स्तर पर होता है हमारे प्रोजेक्ट्स को लेकर के, तो उसमें आपकी प्रतिक्रिया उतनी
नहीं,
तेज
ऐसा
और
कुछ नहीं
उतनी
होगा।
कड़ी होगी जितनी आप वेस्टर्न बॉर्डर पे पाकिस्तान को देखते हैं।
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा। नेक्स्ट।
हम बेचारे चीन जब करेंगे तो देखेंगे। हाँ, विची पूछो।
दिस इज फ्रॉम सेंटर। मेरा सवाल है स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स का,
हाँ।
स्पेशली स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स हु ऑन द फुटहिल्स ऑफ हिल्स, उत्तराखंड, you are clueless of how the Himalayas, right up to Mussoorie, from Dehradun to Mussoorie, the forest area has been gobbled up by builders and the local politicians and the bureaucracy. In the last 10 years, Shivalik Hills have been denuded.
नहीं मालूम।
villages
नेक्स्ट
have
क्वेश्चन।
expanded. So what are you going to do about the state government not responding to this center's whatever?
I'll tell you. That is why you correctly pointed out the need for changes in some part of laws, some rules, and some processes. Thereby, we can effectively monitor it. Our slogan or our motto or our policy is, will be liberal in granting permissions, making them practical and timely, but compliance will be the enforcement. जो नहीं होता है वही हम करेंगे, वही हमारा। That's what you see, just wait.
मिस्टर जावड़ेकर ये कह रहे हैं कि जहाँ पे जो डेन्यूटेशंस हुए हैं वहाँ पे आप लोग कुछ प्रोएक्टिव
उत्तराखंड का मैं बता रहा हूँ, उत्तराखंड का मुझे लगता है पिछले साल के त्रासदी के बाद सबने सबक लिया है कि नदी के, आज इस बार भी जम्मू का भी वही हाल है, ये भी हाल वही है कि आप नदी के प्रवाह के में ही, अगर उसी में रिवर बेड में ही अगर होटल्स बना रहे हो, कंस्ट्रक्शन कर रहे हो, तो बह जाओगे एक दिन। मुझे लगता है ये सबने सीखा है। ऑल स्टेट्स विल बी मोर सेंसिटिव नाउ, एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी माई सेल्फ सीन, एंड वी आर इन दिस। कौन? नहीं, ये सच नहीं है।
अच्छा,
उत्तराखंड में हर 5 साल के बाद बदलता है। 5 साल वो खराब करते हैं, फिर 5 साल हम ठीक करते हैं, फिर 5 साल वो खराब करते हैं।
वंदना एक सेकंड, वंदना डोंट जंप द क्यू, डोंट जंप द
हाँ।
क्यू यार, इट्स नॉट करेक्ट।
हाँ,
नेशनल एडेप्टेशन फंड के बारे में अभी तक गाइडलाइंस भी नहीं बनी है।
नहीं बनी है, मैं बता रहा हूँ।
उसमें क्या सोच है?
नहीं बताओ।
It seems that the government is still
नहीं।
prioritizing mitigation, which it should, but there should be no priority.
No, I'll tell you.
क्या कर रहे हैं?
Our priority is adaptation, and the 100 crore rupees adaptation fund announced in July in the budget is the beginning of the story. So we have made a comprehensive plan. Next year in the budget we hope more funds, and then we are already putting up our mechanism, and we have discussed with all the states. We have already created state action plans, and so there is programs. You expect in next 15 days.
अच्छा, मीना, पद्मा, वंदना इनको पहले एक राउंड हो जाने दो।
चलो।
Now, the question of the Forest Rights Act, the Tribal Affairs Ministry has written to you that you're overriding your brief and there's a fear that you are going to amend the Forest Rights Act and remove the consent clause
No.
of the Gram Sabha.
नहीं, ये किसने कहा? ये ऐसे अफवाहों पर विश्वास मत करो।
अफवाह नहीं।
एक, क्योंकि मैं खुद आदिवासियों में काम किया हुआ कार्यकर्ता हूँ, आंदोलन भी किए। फॉरेस्ट राइट का पहला केस सुप्रीम कोर्ट में 1980 में फॉरेस्ट ट्राइबल प्लॉट जो खेती वो कर रहा है उसका अधिकार बना रहे और उसको उसका अधिकार मिले, इसकी लड़ाई तो हमने लड़ी महाराष्ट्र से। हमने पहला सुप्रीम कोर्ट में ये लिया। तो वी आर विथ फॉरेस्ट राइट्स, सो नो
They
डाइल्यूशन।
haven't written to you.
No, we made. See, in this government, one good thing is we don't write to each other.
अच्छा,
We meet each other.
tweet each
Or
other.
no, not tweet each other. That no.
अच्छा, no,
We
not
we
tweet
meet
also.
we meet
Don't
over
tweet.
breakfast
हाँ.
and we solve the issues.
Okay,
That's
okay.
all.
अच्छा तो दे ये जो
वो
land
जो
equal-
हमने
हाँ,
खुला स्पष्टीकरण किया
हाँ.
वही देखो उसमें क्या था। The only explanation we made was that the right of the forest dwellers who are tribals, they are inheriting the rights and so they will continue to do that. Non-tribals, those living in forest for 75 years, 3 generations. But that's the law. That's only we explained.
But they get
Nothing
the rights
more.
there. They get
हाँ,
the
they get the
natural
rights.
of ownership.
They also. Those who are living there for 75 years, though they are not tribals, they'll get the rights.
So, अच्छा एक मिनट पीछे ये पहले हमारी महिलाओं का पहले
हाँ.
कंप्लीट कर ले फिर आपके पास आएंगे। हाँ, उर्मी पूछो उसके बाद वंदना करते हैं।
Urmi knows more than me.
No, that's
So-
not possible. Sir, you two things. One, you mentioned that India had some proposals that put forward at Lima in terms of acting on climate change. If you could just tell us what those proposals were, what proposals India put forward, and what kind of acceptance it had. And second, on this question of the Forest Rights Act, the objection the Tribal Affairs Ministry has is to the order, a circular issued, an order issued on 29th of October, which actually explains some areas where the forest rights are not applicable. And if you go by the strict definition of that, it actually leaves a lot of it out of the remit of the Forest Rights Act. It's a bit like your Land Act. Infrastructure covers everything and everything becomes part of acquisition. So that the fear is that nobody's made the case that you're going to amend the act because it's not your ministry's act. But the fear is that through these kind of loopholes, you're going to find huge pockets of areas where the FRA will not be applicable. And that is the fear.
No, but that is not the fear. We just explained the status of the act actually. So I can say with confidence that there should be no fear. And as far as Lima, you were there, but you have seen what proposals means when there was a breaking point on whether that will happen in Lima or not. So last 2 days, last minute confabulation, we said that the developed world must say something, take up on a responsibility for finance, which they did. Then the technology was not discussed, then we suggested all these major issues should be discussed separately during the year so that the Paris can't be stalled. Then third, we suggested that all actions, INDCs, will be their INDCs, intended, nationally determined, so you don't make it an international review of it. So they agreed to for a synthesis report. So these were, we negotiated.
Just one follow-up. You have constantly said developed countries have to do more and everything, and part of that action is what developed countries do prior to 2020. You mentioned no review. As a matter of fact, one of the outcomes of Lima was a kind of a negotiation which allowed, led by China actually, which allowed no review in return for letting developed countries off from their pre-2020
No.
action. So if you look at the text of the Lima outcome text, it is extremely weak on pre-2020, and it wasn't so till the last document came out. So clearly, I know China led that talks and China has its own rationale. My question is that India is not China, as you mentioned very clearly.
India is more interested in having strong pre-2020 action. What is India going to do to ensure that there is something that is done on pre-2020?
Pre-2020 emission cuts to be carried out by the developed world is a very important integral part of the whole new architecture. Otherwise, you will leave no carbon space for development of India and such other many other developing countries. So we have demanded that we must get the carbon space of our right, and to that end we are now negotiating with all, and we'll be doing it more vigorously this year, because till I am very sure that 2015 Paris Agreement will have a complete plan of pre-2020 actions also.
And specific emission cuts for all.
So
for
my
all countries.
question was on
Okay,
12
Padma.
per capita emissions. India and China are very different. But let us say that there was no international commitment, there was no international climate agreement. If you compare the pollution in Delhi and if you compare the pollution in Beijing, on some days Delhi is actually worse off than Beijing. So in the interest of our own health, and health is linked to GDP, don't you think that we need to do something to control the emissions, to control the pollution, to control the cost of that pollution?
Absolutely. And I think this is the best last question.
Okay, we'll take two, three. No?
No, because we are acting in our own interest, with our own commitment, on our own volition, and on our own conviction. And what is that conviction? That we must have our waters pure, our air pure, cleaner air, and we must have large afforestation. We must create more carbon sink and a sustainable development. So this is our commitment. And to that end, if you see the Ganga project, Ganga is the beginning of the story. In Europe, 50 years ago, the rivers were as bad as our rivers are. But they decided and created good. We will also do that. And Ganga is the beginning of the story. 764 industries are identified as polluting in Ganga. We gave them notices. 64 industries we closed. 56 created required infrastructure and effluent treatment mechanism within 3 months. They are reopened. 8 are still closed and will not stop closing more. All 764 are actually 17 polluted sectors throughout the countries, polluting sector. And there are 3,206 industries which have been mandated that they should put in 24/7 pollution monitoring devices on their discharge of water, affluent water, and on their chimneys for air. That is basic, important thing, and we are following it up every week now. Because 3 months for preparation. Now we want to see action so that by March actually they put up. Otherwise they will face action.
Okay,
So when you
Padma.
foresee that Ganga will be clean, how many
5 years.
5 years.
Okay, Padma, then you, and then there. Bas, 3
5-7 years. It's
इसमें एक ही समझना है सिर्फ गंगा ही साफ होगी या
नहीं सभी. This is the beginning. This is just the beginning. See, क्या है? Our water is, there is a wonderful CAG report, and we missed out because we were bogged down in that CAG for 2G, CWG, coal, and whatnot. But actually, CAG gave a good report where they have said that 1/3 of the industrial pollution still goes untreated in the water bodies. 1/2 of the domestic waste finally goes into the water bodies, and 2/3 of the agriculture waste, that is excess fertilizers and pesticides, ultimately find their ways to the water bodies. So all waters is contaminated now. मैं तो बचपन में मैं देहात में रहा तो कुएं से ही हम पानी निकालते थे, पीते थे. आज नहीं पी सकते. तो ये जो हुआ है बदलाव, तो that is because our waters are contaminated. We have to clean for our own, and I am with you.
So the government needs to invest more in
Yes.
sewage treatment, a
Yes.
lot more than it does. Isn't it?
And we are ensuring that they will work, because 70% of the sewage treatment plant were not working after completion. Now we are mandating 10 years, the same contractor will do O&M also.
Okay.
So he can't bypass, the blame game won't happen. They will have to work good designs and good projects.
Padma?
And back to the Lima conference, what is new about India's stand on technology? Because if you look at the history of negotiations, technology was part of the main negotiating draft and it got knocked off, saying it's a separate issue, and you're saying the same thing, that it should be discussed as a separate issue. Then how will it come back to?
It will come back to, because INDCs, every country, developing country will demand that we can give our two views, no? If we get the clean energy technology without IPR, we can achieve this much. If we don't get it, if we get it with IPR cost, that means burdening my poor, then it will be this much. So my INDCs will reflect two scenarios, and many countries will do that.
अच्छा और एक है उसके बाद आपके पास पक्का हाँ
Hi, this is Srina Joshi from INS.
Yeah.
My question is about the INDCs as well. The experts actually maintain that they couldn't understand why India was hell-bent on not inviting any external assessment or review of the INDCs. Because if had India done so, of course it would have given India a chance to review others or developed countries' INDCs as well. So I'm just trying to understand.
No, it
what
is
was the
not
rationale
India.
behind it.
No, it was not India. We didn't become the roadblock for that. It was all unitedly, all LMDCs, all LDCs, all developing world unitedly put up that view. It was not India isolated.
Yeah, that's good. That's
So this is 46 minutes and 54 seconds.
बस
Oh.
बस लास्ट क्वेश्चन
जी मीडिया से हूँ। मैं जानना चाहता हूँ सर, पर्यावरण मंजूरी की वजह से कई प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो अटके पड़े होते हैं, उनमें तेजी लाने के लिए सरकार ने आगे क्या कदम उठाए हैं, और क्या बजट सत्र में कुछ पर्यावरण कानूनों में बदलाव की कुछ तैयारी है सरकार की?
अभी वही तो मैंने बताया, लेकिन इतना ही कहूँगा कि अभी मेरे टेबल पे कोई पेंडिंग केस नहीं है. थैंक यू.
तेजी हाँ अच्छा
New laws amendment का
वो जो हाई लेवल कमेटी का रिपोर्ट आया है, वो सब आप भी सुझाव देंगे, सब सुझाव देंगे, सबका विचार होगा.